Alright, welcome to my channel, Thekingleeway, and my name is King, and today I am just gonna do a straight up mukbang just like they do in Korea. So I'm here at Wingers Unlimited. Yes, it's a common thing here in the Philippines. A lot of the places advertise unlimited. So I got the unlimited bundle. So I'm gonna start off with 4 sets of wings. So as I keep this menu next to me, I have the Sergeant Garlic Pepper, the Colonel Sweet Mustard, the Major Barbecue, and the Private Plain. It's like a military theme. If you kind of look at how this is made here. And of course, unlimited rice. I'm only gonna eat this because I'm gonna get more bang for my buck by eating the wings. That's what I came here for anyways. And of course, you can get ice cream and fries. So, oh yeah, they haven't brought my fries, but I don't care if they bring the fries out. I'm here for the wings. So, yes, and just to let you know, unlimited wingers. There's a lot of them. The franchise. There's a lot of these places here in the Philippines. So the one I'm at now is in Ayala Mall, Central Block, IT Park. Oh, and it is December 31st for those. Happy New Year coming up. So I'm gonna take a bite into first. I'm gonna start with the Colonel Sweet Mustard. Not too bad. So that was the Colonel. Not too bad. At the same time, this is like the military theme of wings. I feel like I'm playing a board game Clue. Who killed who with what in what room? Well, we already know what room. It's at the restaurant. Okay, the next attempt I'm gonna take is, I'm gonna go after the Sergeant. Here's the Sergeant. Yeah, garlic pepper. Yep, so next one was Sergeant. Now, I'm gonna go after, so this is still the Sergeant. So let's see, this is like the barbecue right here, the barbecue wings. This is the rank of Major Barbecue. Not bad. It's not bad at all. Yeah, if you do come here, there is no utensils. You will use these things. Sometimes I think I might have put this on incorrectly. Let me see if I twist it around so I don't feel okay, that feels much better. I was wondering, why does it feel so weird? All right, just for the audience, I usually don't like to eat rice because most of the rice I eat is brown and black rice here. And of course, you know, even in Korea, we don't eat unlimited rice. Even if it is unlimited in Korea too, we usually just eat one bowl of rice and then a bunch of free sides. They're called the panchan. So yep, hands, there's no utensils. Now I'm gonna shoot for the Private Plain. So take a look, take a close look at it. Yeah, so this is kind of like my celebration today. So yep. Since this is my second trip at Wingers Unlimited, before you didn't have to get, because usually the cost is 199 pesos, which is about $4 US. And then you could add another 100 pesos for, you know, unlimited drinks, you know, everything else. But, you know, because I would just order the 199 and just drink service water. But now they're making us buy both. So yeah, because I think what customers would do is they'll pay the 199 and then go sneak a cup and go get free drinks. So they're just kind of pushing the envelope now. They don't want to lose revenue. Because technically, for something unlimited, I mean, back in America, you ain't gonna find 199 and 99 pesos for unlimited. Oh yeah, and for those that don't know the conversion, so this is a total of $6 US. In America, I don't know a buffet place that has a buffet for $6. That's impossible now. If there is, it must be some special day or something. Because most buffets in America are 10, and I'm being nice by saying 10, it's probably up to at least 15 or 20. And remember, in America, we have to pay sales tax and 15 to 20% gratuity tip, you know, even if it's an unwritten rule. That's what shocks a lot of foreigners that come into America and eating at restaurants there. All right, so the next attempt I'm gonna try is the barbecue. Let's see how the major tastes here. Kind of sounds the major barbecue. Almost sounds like a plane. It kind of tastes a little plain. They just put barbecue sauce on top of it. But for $6 US, what do you expect? And there's no such thing as unlimited wings anywhere in the United States. This is not, it's okay. I remember back in the 90s when I was in Burbank, California, it was unlimited barbecue wings for $2. That does not exist anymore today. So I remember, I don't know if I can eat anymore. That's with the amount that I have right here. That's gonna be too much to eat. Plus, I still gotta work tonight. Yep, I'm working on New Year's Eve, unfortunately. So, here you go. Yep, this is, what is it? Sergeant Garlic Pepper. But I like the deal. $6 US for unlimited. I'm like, no wonder why this place is usually crowded. But since it's New Year's Eve, usually there are not a lot of customers, but usually it's jam-packed. Oh, and by the way, you get dessert with that too for $6 US. I don't know how much rice I'm gonna eat. I like wings. Now these wings are not type of wings. They don't taste as like the way they taste in America. Like if I go to Buffalo Brad's, it has a little bit of the American feel of the wings. Of course, I pay a lot more there for that quality. But for $6 US, you can't beat this. No. While I'm eating this, I'm still trying to figure out a place. Is there a place in the United States or in Canada or in a Western country we pay $6 for unlimited wings, drink, and dessert? That's usually unheard of. So it's usually to get that, it's about $20 for 1,000 pesos. So yeah, so it's pretty good. Not too bad. I'll just try to take advantage as much as I can and see. Yeah, this is still a lot for me. 16 sets of wings. I'm gonna probably not make it. I might have to dip into the rice just to get some mixture. Sorry, wrong pipe. Yep. That's not good during a mukbang. So yeah. Oh, there's a cute baby over there. Now I'm gonna attack something plain, but I don't know, I don't like the plain. I like to have some sort of sauce. So I'm gonna bum some of the sauce off of Colonel Mustard here to give the plain a flavor. Even with these 16 and the 20 wings that I eat for 300 pesos, that's still a good deal. Now I see why this place is crowded. Because, you know, most buffets are more expensive. Hopefully I can make it out to Vikings, which is an SM city here in Cebu. That's a full-blown Asian buffet. So hopefully I can do something there for a mukbang. And then tonight's New Year's Eve, so I'm gonna probably do something here at Tpark. Most of my wings, I like the big legs. Not too bad. I'm eating rice with this. It's funny. I was talking to one Filipino friend who works in Korea. Excuse me. Because I think his family was a little more well off. When he was going to school, they were teaching, especially out in the provinces, they're teaching the technique on how to eat rice. And of course, they didn't have this plastic to guide them. And then, of course, he was telling me he got laughed at and ridiculed because, you know, he grew up using a fork and spoon, excuse it. And yeah, so, you know, like, you know, I've been out in the province, I've seen it. So yeah, we don't have this plastic thing in our hand to guide us. I'll tell you that. That was way out of my comfort zone. especially when you go, excuse me, especially when you go out into the provinces. It's a 180-degree turn. You're going to a house with just barely a roof over their head. And there's barely no utensils, so you're just eating. And then they're offering you tons of white rice. You know, yeah, and you know, in Korea we eat like sticky rice and you know all that. But there's so much white rice, it just kind of makes me ugh. So I usually mix it up with either brown rice or black rice. Wow, I don't know if it's just me. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish this. And I'm not even topping them about a topic, so I'm gonna go back to Colonel Mustard's here and see how Colonel Mustard tastes. Let me take you back to the menu, see? So you have those 4 choices again. Oh, my fries never came, which I don't care. Oh yeah. And now they've done FAQ, frequently asked questions. So they'll say something like, what is the new rate? And I explained earlier, the answer is $1.99 plus 99 equals $2.98. Because, you know, people just get the $1.99. So they force you to do the bundle now. And then, of course, what's the difference? It's like they're giving us bottomless drinks and they're giving us dessert with this. So you get to do that too. What else? Yeah, with the drinks, you just go up and it's self-serve. So that's a cool thing. Don't have to ask, because one thing about, if you know anything about the Philippines, service tends to be a little slow right now. And then they say, what if you bring my own drink? Don't matter, it's $2.98. You're gonna pay $6 US. Of course, to us from those countries, it doesn't matter. But to the locals, it does. And then they say, why is the drink and dessert charge $99 mandatory? Well, it's all off. That's why my English is all off. That's my primary language. And the answer says, to help us add new items, fries, and dessert, and lessen the trouble informing our customers that they're not allowed to share drink and dessert. Okay, I can understand. They're probably losing revenue that way. Can we take out the bottled water? No. You may buy them and take them out for 20 pesos, which is about 20 pesos, about 40 US cents. And the kid, if he's 5 years below, can eat for free. So if you have a child under 5 or under, you get to eat for free. With a paying adult, of course. Oh, we charge, how much do you charge for leftovers? So I'm gonna make sure I eat all of this. We charge 29 pesos for chicken wings and 29 for a cup of rice and 20 for a cup of rice. Yeah. So what if, and then here's another one. What if the pieces of chicken and rice cannot be determined since we combine them all? Example, mixing chicken meat with rice and fried. We'll charge you double the rate. Yeah. So yeah, I guess they finally got smart and put FAQs up in here. So yeah, so there's an FAQ because people were trying to swindle around the customer. So, okay, I can see that. Yes, one person buys dessert and then they share, so they lose revenue on that. Okay, I get it. All right, I'm gonna do my best to eat as much of this as I can because I don't want to pay any more than $6. All right, so I'm now hitting the garlic pepper again. Garlic pepper is not bad. I like the sweet. I like using the major barbecue, but it doesn't really taste like barbecue, so I'm a little disappointed with that. But I like the garlic pepper and the sweet kernel mustard. That kind of blends well, huh? Yeah. I'm okay with that. Not too bad. Now I'm gonna hit a plain one, but the plain one, I'm just gonna borrow some sauces there. I don't really like the plain. It's like really too plain. So I'm doing my best here. Wow, even just 16 pieces of wings is a lot. I still got a rice. They're gonna overcharge me 50 cents. Now, I have to dig in and eat some of this rice. So make sure what you order you finish. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have ordered any rice at all. I should have just got the wings. But just for my subscribers, I ordered rice. Yeah, I'm doing this province style. I'm being distracted by the cute baby over there. Yummy. Yeah, good thing. All right, I'm down to 4 wings, so I don't know if I'm gonna order any more. I might just have me another drink and call it a day. I don't think I need to eat for the rest of the day. So now I'm back to the barbecue right here. So here's the barbecue. Not too bad. All right. Say if I didn't have the gloves trying to pick up the rice, man, there's a special technique to it too. I'm still laughing about that when my buddy told me that, when he told me about that. Because, yeah, especially like in the Philippines, the province, the schools, sometimes the kids go to training on how to eat with their hands with the rice, you know, which is not normal. I mean, like countries like Kenya, they do that. And for example, like sometimes when I go to a night market, the Cebu Mercado nearby, like you eat lechon, which is pork, they'll give you these. And then you just eat the lechon with these plastic gloves. Yeah, so don't ask them and cry at them, where's the fork and spoon? Most of the times, like night markets, either you bring your own plastic fork or spoon or whatever. Most of the times they're going to give you these. So there's no such thing as fork and spoon in that situation. Yeah. All right. So I'm giving, yeah, it's like almost living in a province. Oh yeah, by the way, here at Ayala Mall Central Block, they have a place called Time Zone. So I acquired 1,000 points, and look, I got me a basketball. It's my second basketball I won for China. Since, you know, when I'm gonna go to China, where the dorms are, there's 20 basketball courts. So I figured, hey, I'll bring one of these because it'll be light in my bag. And I'll have a basketball over there. Because I ain't gonna try to ask those Chinese kids, can I play? Most of them, there's an English barrier. There's a language barrier. They don't speak a lot of English over there. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. So usually, if you come here at 12, don't bother coming. There's a line. I never come during lunchtime here because there's too many people inside here. So on a regular day, this place is crowded. Even the one at the other Ayala. Look at Colonel Mustard. Let's see, I'm almost there. Yeah, I don't see myself getting any more wings. This will be it for me. Man, it's a lot. Oh yeah. They even give you bottled water here with that bundle, but you can't take it out. Yeah, so much fun. even for the baby. I think that's too much wings for me too. Yep, even that baby's there trying to tell me, they eat too many wings. Yeah, baby's right, she's right. Wow, that was 20 wings. Usually I'll be sharing 20 wings with 2 other friends. Well, yeah, unlimited. So once again, Wingers Unlimited. Now the question is, am I gonna have some ice cream or not? I don't know. That one I'm not gonna show you. I might have just had enough now. I'm just gonna probably get a nice drink and then roll on out of here, because downstairs there's a supermarket called Metro, so I need to get some food for the week. And I kind of want to beat the rain, because you never know when it rains there. Luckily it takes me 5 minutes to walk, but still I don't want to walk in puddles of water. So yeah. So yeah, if any of you in the Philippines, yeah, come to Unlimited or Wingers Unlimited. See, it's listed as unlimited wings. They don't call it Wingers Unlimited. The sign says unlimited wings, rice, and fries. That's the sign that you need to look for. So I know this advertisement says Wingers Unlimited, but when you go look for this place, look for that sign. And it goes, and repeat, unlimited wings and rice and fries. That's what it is. Sorry I had to elicit my audience again, just like I have to elicit with students. So yeah. All right, so if any of you enjoyed this content, which wasn't much today, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for future videos. So everyone, wherever you are in the world, I want to wish everybody a Happy New Year. And since we're in the Philippines, I still want to wish you a Merry Christmas, because we're going to be celebrating it till February. So have a good day. Bye.